na talaga yung ating 2024 Suzuki 5-door Jimny. So, ayan, yung ating top of the line model, no? So, ayan yung ating makina. So, yung makina niya is the K15B pa din. Parehas lang to sa 3-door Jimny natin. Sa front, ayan, kita nyo naman, same pa din siya. Meron tayong LED headlight, okay? Turn signal lights and fog light natin dito. Yung fog light natin, incandescent pa din. And meron tayong chrome grille dito. Ayan, kita nyo naman, chrome grille yan. Meron tayong headlight washer pa din, just like before. So, nothing much has changed outside, pero sa loob, medyo marami yung nabago sa loob. And then, yung ating rims is a Bridgestone Dweller. And ano siya, yung tire size natin is 195 by 80 R15. So yan yung ating gulong. So same as before, blacked out yung ating mga side mirrors right here. Okay? And meron tayong turn signal lights dito. Okay, so ito yung top of the line model, no? You know it's the top of the line model kasi meron na siyang black roof. Black roof yan. And sa likod, of course, since 5-door Jimny, meron na siyang pinto dito sa likod. Ayan. Ano pa ba yung nabago dito? Drum brakes pa din sa likuran. Ayan, no? Mas maluwag na yung ating cargo space kahit may second row. Ayan, so ito yung space natin. Okay? So, meron tayong ayan, ilaw dito sa likuran, 12-volt accessory outlet. Ayan, 12-volt accessory outlet. Okay? And then, dito sa ilalim, ano pa din, same as before, nothing changed. Meron tong parking sensors. I don't think na yung non-5 doors, meron siyang sensors, but ito meron siyang rear parking sensors. And yung ating ilalim, ayan. So, again, solid axle pa din with, may linkage siya. Right? So, still very stable and it can carry more than, can carry 4 people no, in comfort na. Okay noon kasi medyo on the fence pa kung comfortable ba siya sa likuran. Ito, comfortable na talaga. Okay? So, ayan siya, yung ating pinto. Ayan. And yung ating spare tire is dito sa likod, which is really nice, very iconic na pagka-design. And meron tayong all grip kasi of course, Jimny 4-wheel drive, no? Part-time 4-wheel drive siya. High mount stoplight is here. Yung washer natin, may nakaslagay Suzuki. Meron tayong ayan, meron tayong mga fender flares, no? Ayan, so meron siyang susian dito. Ayan, extra door, of course, 5-door Jimny. So ito yung top spec model. Shoulder to shoulder kayo dyan.
Ang masasabi ko lang, no, malaki katawan ko di ba? So pareho kami malaking katawan. Ako nga lang mataba, siya macho, pero malaki pa rin pareho, no? Pero kasya kami pareho. Ano height mo?
5'11".
Oh, 5'11", 5'8". Kasya kami. No
Diba sir, yung yung Jimny mo hindi kasya ganito. Kayong dalawa hindi ka kasya sa likod.
Kasya rin, pero mas sweet kami sa loob.
Sweet sa loob.
Tama naman.
Wala na lang maghahag na. So ayan mga motorista, pasok tayo dito sa top of the line Jimny 5-door. You won't expect no na may mga leather dito kasi this is a rugged na vehicle, no? So meant to be ridden off-road or driven off-road. So what we see here is yung instrument cluster natin, still the same as before. So you have your miles per hour. This is unique. Ayan. So miles per hour, meron siyang miles per hour and kilometers per hour. Meron tayong digital display right here. Tachometer natin. Yung ating switch gear, meron siyang auto headlight. And yung ating side mirror is power folding siya. Okay? So that's the thing with this top of the line model. And then meron tayong cruise control. Ito yung ating mga audio controls right here. Call buttons is here. 3-spoke steering wheel, leather siya. Yung ating screen is I think a 10-inch display. Of course, meron tong Apple Android Auto, Apple CarPlay is available. And ayan yung hazard button natin. Really nice. And then here sa ilalim you have your digital climate control with auto mode, single zone siya, meron siyang mode and off button. And unique to the Jimny is this toggle switches, no? So yung windows natin is dito, yung windows na toggle natin is dito located. Ayan, meron tayong hill descent control, hill start assist, and also traction button Sana USB Type-C, but you only get USB Type-A. And then 12-volt outlet right here. May lalagyan dito na maliit. Automatic transmission for the top of the line model. No manual transmission. Part-time 4-wheel drive, 2H, 4H, and 4L. Handbrake, standard na cable type. Toggle switches for the rear windows. Wala siyang armrest. I wish it had an armrest. Unfortunately, you don't get any armrest right here. Window lock button. Mayroong airbag dito sa driver, airbag sa passenger. Of course, walang airbag dito sa sides, no? So, no side curtain airbags right here. And meron tayong hawakan for the front passenger. That's really nice, off-road. And then, lalagyan dito for more stuff. Okay? So, ayan siya mga motorista, yung ating cockpit ng ating Jimny 5-door. Very similar to the previous model Jimny. Yan yung ating upuan. Cloth lang lahat. Pero okay naman yung support niya. Decent naman, but nothing fancy. Mga motorista, pag-usapan naman natin yung price ng ating 5-door Jimny for the GL manual. It is priced at 1,558,000 pesos. And kung gusto nyo naman yung ating top of the line model, it will set you back 1,698,000 pesos. And kung gusto niyo yung two-tone, it will cost you 1,708,000 pesos. And special thanks nga pala sa Suzuki Philippines for inviting us to this event. And ayan mga motorista, yung ating 5-door Jimny first impressions. What do you think? Let me know down sa ating comments. And as always mga motorista, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos dito sa ating channel. Once again, this is Adrian, Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode.